Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm Muhammad Ali Mirdaus and I want to present how to operate an excavator unit. Yes, next slide. We split our presentation into three parts. First, requirements for rigging an excavator. Second, check the condition of the excavator. Third, operation of excavator. This will be brief if only it should last 15 minutes. Next slide. I am glad to answer your question at the end of your presentation. Okay, so let's begin with the first explanation, which is requirements for rigging an excavator. In operating the excavator, it does not only move forward and backward, but there is a bucket section that is operated using a lever counter. Difficult, of course, not well studying and understanding seriously. Before starting the grid on how to operate an excavator, here are some things and conditions that must be considered. First, must have SIM B2 to work in a company that requires excavator operators. At least the mandatory requirement is SIM B2. Truth. Legality or truth can be accounted for. Second, safety equipment. For safety equipment can be in the form of helmets, goggles, shoes, gloves. Let's move on the next explanation, namely check the condition of the excavator. Make sure the engine oil in this excavator unit is neither too low nor too low. The way to find out is by looking at the dipstick. At the bottom of the dipstick there is a line and the letter L which indicates low, and at the top of the dipstick there is the letter H which indicates high. Make sure the engine oil on this excavator unit is the upper limit. Position or H, which means the engine oil is sufficient or not more. Check radiator weather. Radiator water function to cool down. So make sure radiator water is at a good level position, no shortage or excess. Check swing motor oil. The dipstick on the swing motor oil has two layers. These layers are to find out whether the oil level is sufficient or not enough. If the oil only reaches the first bottom layer, then it is a sign that the swing motor oil is lacking. If the oil reaches less to above, it's a sign of swing motor oil at the recommended sufficient level. In this hydraulic oil there are two letters, L and H. L denotes low, which means hydraulic oil is in low or slow position, and H denotes high, which means hydraulic oil is in high or full position, and the recommended position is the high position. Let's go to the last explanation, namely operation of excavator. Inside the excavator there are several levers. First, running bucket and boom section. To operate the bucket and boom section, move the counter panel on the right section lever, lowering the bow, pushing the lever forward, raising the boom, pull the lever back, closing the buckets, slide the lever to the left, opening the bucket, slide the lever to the right. Second, control the direction of the cabin and beam. Control the direction of the cabin and beam. Use the control panel on the lift lever. Raising now. Lever pulling back. Lower. Push lever forward. Sliding cup to the right. Shift lever to the right. Shifting the cap to the left. Shift lever to the left. Third, look the excavator lever. To look the excavator lever, use shoot up or locker, usually on the left. Closing out function of the excavator lever, pull the lever up. Unlock the excavator lever function, push lever down. Fourth, running and turning excavator. To start and turn the excavator, use the right and left tracks that were on the front. Moving the excavator forward or forward. Pull the lever simultaneously backwards. Moving the excavator backwards or backwards. Simultaneously pushing the lever forward. Turn left, pull the right lever backwards. Turn right, pull left, lever backwards. Doesn't feel like we finished all the explanation. Will that brings me to my end presentation. Let me give you a summary of what we've been talking about for the last 2 minutes maybe. First, our explanation which is requirements for living an excavator. The second, take the condition of the excavator. And lastly, operation of excavator. Alright, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If any of you have questions, I will be happy to answer them. You can, of course. Thank you much.